Okay, let's look at another one-step equation. Now you might say, well, Miss, this is more than one step. It's not really. You just have to find the value of x, right? I need to get rid of this 2 1/3, but I need to work out what's happening with this 2 1/3. Now, if there's nothing written there, it means the plus. And remember, what we have to do is get rid of pluses and minuses first before we can do a division. All right, so what we need to do is we need to get rid of this plus 2 1/3. And the opposite of that is minus 2 1/3. But what I do to one side, I do to the other. And that's it. If you add the same number that you take away, it becomes 0 here. What you're left with is minus x. And then what you're left with here, now this is, you definitely need your calculator for this. So you do minus 5, switch it on helps, minus 5, minus, now shift and the fraction key button will give you the mixed numeral. And you just put your minus 2 1/3 there. And you get minus 22/3. Now, so far so good. However, remember, we can't have a negative there, okay? So there's a few ways people do it. Now, if you want to go with what I've been teaching you previously, that's a minus 1 there. So to get rid of it, you can divide by minus 1, divide by minus 1. Now, that would give me minus 1 divided by minus 1, we're going to give me 1. Do it on your calculator if you don't believe me, which is exactly what I want. Now, a negative and a negative, again, is a positive. But again, do it on your calculator if you don't believe me, and you will still get 22/3 rather. Now, you might say, isn't it the same as that? No. 22/3 is not the same as minus 22/3. There's two different values. So you've got to really be careful with that, okay? So I'll leave it there. It may be considered as a two-step equation, but you need to be able to do something like this.